When I first came to Hofstra, I started teaching a scientific evidence seminar, and I think it is the best expression of why I came from philosophy to law and why I came from legal practice to teaching law. From the philosophical standpoint, I was always interested in knowledge theory. That's what my studies were in: epistemology, logic, philosophy of science, artificial intelligence, how we can use computers to simulate human reasoning. And so I was always interested in that side. On the legal side, I did all this work in practice with expert witnesses and trying to translate scientific information into legal evidence and legal arguments. And I brought that together in the seminar. And it's evolved over the years, and I've learned a lot over the years, and hopefully the students have as well. But, for example, I knew that traditional deductive logic was just not adequate for what law needs to do. And so I began to study scientists, the people that I had spent so much time with, figuring out how they think. And so my program, in a sense, is to study scientists, figure out how they evaluate information, because the goals of the law are the same. We're not interested just in what we believe to be true, because someone says it is. We're trying to get to the bottom of things. We're trying to figure out what the rules should be. We're trying to figure out what the findings should be, what the evidence shows us. And scientists have spent a lot of time figuring out how to do that. So what I try to do is study how they do it, generalize it to common sense, so that we can incorporate their thinking in our thinking and apply that to legal problems. And that's what the seminar is about. Students can choose a legal problem in civil litigation, or in criminal proceedings, or in administrative law, and they have to choose some area of science and understand what's going on in that scientific area and use it to solve some legal problem. It could be the admissibility of an expert opinion. It could be that a particular rule should or should not be enacted by the Food and Drug Administration. So that's the scientific evidence seminar. And as I said, it brings together all of the various strands that brought me to the law and to law teaching.